Ever imagined vitamins stepping up as your arthritis allies? This might hit you out of the blue, but buckle up because it's the real deal. Picture this, an intricate chess game where vitamins stand as the strategic knights, advancing alongside your conventional medical treatment. The end game? Attenuating symptoms, reinforcing joint health, and skyrocketing your overall vitality. Imagine it like a grand symphony, where each vitamin contributes to the harmonious melody of your health. For instance, vitamin D, the unsung hero, often joins the treatment battalion for arthritis patients, particularly those running low on it. Why, you ask? It's simple. It's a maestro in conducting calcium absorption, a crucial element for robust bones. And there's more. Vitamin C, the antioxidant virtuoso and a whiz in collagen production, has been discovered to slow down osteoarthritis progression and keep joints in tip-top shape. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, this is just the curtain raiser. The cast of helpful vitamins in the arthritis treatment saga is far more extensive. So, are you up for an exciting plunge into this vitamin world? Let's unravel the mysteries of how vitamins can be game changers in the treatment of arthritis. Before we continue our journey exploring the role of vitamins in arthritis treatment, let's take a quick detour. If you're finding our content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to our channel is like adding a bookmark to your favorite book. It's a simple click away, but it opens up a world of health information, latest research findings, and practical advice tailored just for you. See that red subscribe button below this video? Go ahead and give it a click. By doing so, you're securing a front row seat to our knowledge-packed videos and you'll never miss an update. But wait, there's more. Do you see a bell icon next to the subscribe button? Clicking this will turn on notifications, ensuring that you're the first to know when we drop a new video. It's like having a personal reminder for every new piece of content that can help you manage arthritis better. Stay tuned for more informative videos on arthritis treatment. Thank you for your support. And now, back to our vitamin exploration. Before we delve deeper into the specifics of different vitamins, let's take a moment to talk about the importance of a balanced diet in managing. It's important to remember that while specific vitamins can offer benefits, they are most effective when part of a well-rounded diet. Think of your diet as a symphony orchestra where each instrument, or in this case nutrient, plays a significant role. Eating a variety of foods ensures that you get a wide spectrum of nutrients. Imagine filling your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Not only does this provide a broad range of vitamins and minerals, but it also contributes to overall health and well-being. And remember, while supplements can help fill nutritional gaps, they shouldn't replace a healthy diet. Furthermore, a healthy weight can help manage arthritis symptoms. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your joints, especially your knees, hips, and feet. So, for a balanced diet to nourish your body and keep your weight in check, stay with us as we explore the role of specific vitamins in arthritis treatment. Remember, it's not just about a single vitamin, it's about harmony in your diet. Often prescribed for arthritis patients, vitamin D is a powerhouse for bone health. It's a common supplement for those dealing with arthritis, especially for individuals who have lower levels of this essential nutrient. But why exactly is vitamin D so important? Well, one of the key roles of vitamin D in our bodies is to assist in the absorption of calcium. This is crucial because calcium is the building block for our bones. Without adequate D, our bodies can struggle to absorb enough calcium, leading to weakened bones joints. This can be particularly problematic for individuals with arthritis, as their joints are already under stress. But that's not all. Vitamin D may also play a role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to the pain and stiffness experienced by people with arthritis. So, by reducing inflammation, vitamin D could help to alleviate some of these symptoms, providing much-needed relief. However, it's important to remember that while vitamin D can be beneficial, it's not a magic bullet. It's part of a larger treatment plan that should be overseen by a healthcare provider. Like any supplement, it should be taken responsibly and in the correct amounts. It's generally recommended that adults get 600 to 800 international units IU of vitamin per day. However, some studies suggest that people with arthritis might benefit from higher doses, up to 5,000 IU per day, but this should only be done under the supervision of a healthcare provider to avoid potential side effects associated with excessive intake. So, vitamin D is not just the sunshine vitamin, but also an ally in fighting arthritis. It's a small piece of a larger puzzle, but it's a piece that can make a significant difference in the health and well-being of those living with arthritis. Next on our list is vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties. Now you may be wondering, what does that have to do with arthritis? Well, let's dive in. Vitamin C plays a vital role in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that's for our joint health. It acts like the glue that holds our tissues together, providing strength and structure to our joints. But that's not all. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in our body, reducing oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and damage in our joints. So by taking vitamin C, we're not just boosting our immune system, we're also supporting the health of our joints. Studies suggest that vitamin C can slow the progression of osteoarthritis, helping to maintain healthy, flexible joints for longer. Now it's crucial to talk about the recommended dosage of vitamin C for arthritis patients. Doctors recommend a daily dosage of around 500 to 1,000 milligrams. This range falls within the safe upper limit of 2,000 milligrams per day. But remember, always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, as individual needs may vary. In conclusion, vitamin C then is more than just a cold fighter. It's also a joint protector and an essential part of your arthritis management plan. Did you know vitamin E has anti-inflammatory effects that can be beneficial for arthritis patients? It's true. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin, a significant role in the reduction of pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. You see, inflammation is your body's way of protecting itself from injury disease. However, in conditions like arthritis, this inflammation becomes chronic, leading to pain and discomfort. That's where vitamin E steps in. It acts like a natural anti-inflammatory agent, combating the inflammation that's causing you pain. But there's more to this. Vitamin E also contributes to overall joint mobility. By reducing inflammation, it allows your joints to move more freely, giving you better mobility and a higher quality of. Now, let's talk about the recommended dosage of vitamin E for arthritis patients, which is 600 international units IU per day. However, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regime, as individual needs may vary. So, whether it's easing your discomfort, enhancing your mobility, or understanding the right dosage, vitamin E certainly packs a punch when it comes to managing arthritis symptoms. Clearly, vitamin E is a potent tool in the fight against arthritis pain and inflammation. Vitamin K might not be as well known as some other vitamins, but its importance for bone health is noteworthy. This vital nutrient is often underappreciated, yet it plays a crucial role in our bodies. It's an essential part of the process of bone mineralization, the transformation of the bone matrix into a hard, mineral-rich substance that gives our bones their strength and resilience. This process is incredibly significant in the context of arthritis. Why so, you ask? The reason is that when our bones are healthy and robust, they are better equipped to handle the stress and strain that arthritis can exert on them. This fortification helps to prevent the worsening of arthritis symptoms, offering arthritis patients a better quality of life. Furthermore, it's advised that arthritis patients should consume around 120 micrograms of vitamin K daily, as per the medical recommendations, to avail these benefits. Remember, it's always prudent to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements or medications. Moreover, vitamin K also works in harmony with other vitamins like vitamins D and C to promote overall bone health. It functions like a well-coordinated orchestra where each musician, or in this case vitamin, plays its unique role, but together they create a beautiful, health-promoting symphony. As you can see, vitamin K is indeed a silent warrior in the battle against arthritis. B vitamins, specifically B6, B12, and folate, are often used to manage high levels of homocysteine in arthritis patients. Now, you might be wondering, what's homocysteine, and why is it a big deal for those with arthritis? Well, homocysteine is an amino acid produced by the body, but when its levels shoot up, it can lead to inflammation and damage to your joints. That's where B vitamins step in. They help to keep homocysteine under control, reducing its harmful effects. The recommended daily allowance for these B vitamins is as follows: 1.3 milligrams for B6, 2.4 micrograms for B12, and 400 micrograms for folate for adults. It's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplementation regimen. Let's take a closer look at the 3 B vitamins we're focusing on: B6, B12, and folate. Each plays a unique role in supporting your joint health. Vitamin B6, for instance, is a natural painkiller. It produces neurotransmitters that help reduce pain. So when you're dealing with the pains of arthritis, B6 is your friend. Vitamin B12, on the other hand, is all about nerve health. It helps to maintain the health of your nerve cells, and that's important because damaged nerves can amplify arthritis pain. And lastly, we have folate, also known as vitamin B9. This vitamin is key in the formation of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout your body, including to your aching joints. This can help to alleviate inflammation and promote overall joint health. B vitamins, then, offer a triple threat against arthritis. Not just managing pain, they're fighting inflammation and supporting your body's overall joint health. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your daily vitamin intake. Although not a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids deserve a mention in any conversation about supplements for arthritis. These fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil and flax seeds, are often recommended as a supplement for their anti-inflammatory properties. The typical recommended dosage for individuals suffering from arthritis is about 2.7 grams of omega-3s per day, although it's best to consult with your doctor for personalized advice. You see, inflammation is a key player in arthritis, causing pain and swelling in the joints. Omega-3s step into the game here. They work by reducing the production substances released during the body's inflammatory response. By doing so, they help alleviate the symptoms of arthritis, making your joints feel more comfortable and less stiff. They can also enhance the effectiveness of anti-inflammatory medications. However, it's important to remember that while omega-3s can help manage symptoms, they are not a cure for arthritis. They should be seen as a valuable player in a team, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and prescribed medications. So, while not technically a vitamin, omega-3s play a vital role in managing arthritis and should be taken in the appropriate dosage to maximize benefits. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to note a few important considerations when using vitamins for arthritis. First and foremost, consultation with healthcare providers is vital. Vitamins, like any other form of treatment, can have side effects or interact with your current medications. Therefore, before you start popping those vitamin pills, make sure you discuss your plan with your healthcare provider. They can guide you on the right dosage and ensure that the vitamins will not interfere with your existing treatment plan. Secondly, don't forget the importance of a balanced diet. While supplements can help fill in the gaps, the best source of vitamins is still a diverse and healthy diet. Foods rich in vitamins D, C, E, and K, as well as B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, can all contribute to a robust and well-rounded diet. So remember, supplements should complement your diet, not replace it. Next, let's talk about individual needs. The type of arthritis you have, your personal health conditions, and your existing nutrient levels all play a significant role in determining your vitamin needs. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's essential to understand your body and its unique requirements. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, vitamins should be seen as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. They can help support your body's natural processes, reduce inflammation, and ensure the health of your bones and joints. But they are not a magic bullet. They should be used in conjunction with other treatments, such as medications, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes, to achieve the best results. Remember, using vitamins to treat arthritis is about supporting the body's natural processes, reducing inflammation, and ensuring the health of bones and joints, but always as part of a broader treatment plan.